how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals, and we're back in with another unboxing and first impressions for everyone. So we're going to try and make this one real quick, and I do apologize for the lighting here today. It's Florida, it's hurricane season, it's kind of stormy outside, so we don't have the best light, so we're dealing with the indoor room lighting here. Florida can't make up its mind. It's sunny, it's hot, it's rainy, it's still hot. Florida needs to get it together, but it is what it is, so I apologize for the lighting. But we're back with another Bluetooth earbud unboxing and first impressions for everyone. So this is my unboxing of the Lanmore truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. And I'm super excited about these because these earbuds are super premium and I got them for a really great price. Okay, in particular, I was able to pick these bad boys up from Amazon for $29.99. All right, really great price in my opinion. And from the initial impressions, because all I did was cut the plastic and take them out the box, these bad boys seem really premium, but I boxed everything back up so y'all can get an idea of the overall unboxing experience. So let's dive into the packaging and presentation and get into my initial first impressions and overall thoughts. Let's do this. So starting off with the presentation itself, I gotta say, Lanmore did a great job with this. It's very minimalistic, very sleek, and straightforward. So you can see we just got some company branding right here at the top. So it just says Lanmore truly wireless earbuds. Alright, good stuff. On the sides, we're clean. On the bottom, we're clean. On the top, we're clean. And then we get a little bit more information on the back, okay? So just letting you know it's truly wireless earbuds. They do incorporate microphones. They do have some sound codecs here. The case itself has a 350 milliamp hour battery. And including the case, you're good for an additional 24 hours. Alright, now some other key specifications include, let's get these out the way first. These bad boys are packing Bluetooth 5.0 on board. They do have a 10 meter or 33 foot range. They are packing IPX5 sweat and water resistance with microphones built into each earbud. They do have quick charging on board, so the manufacturer is touting that 15 minutes of charge will give you 1 hour of usage. We're going to put that to the test. They're also touting that you should get up to 6 hours on a single charge and an additional 30 hours including the charging case. The earbuds themselves should take about 1.5 hours to reach a full charge, and the charging case, my bad y'all, should take up to 2 hours to reach a full charge, and the charging case is using USB Type-C. So really good stuff in my opinion. Alright, just to get the real quick specs out of the way, the specs and features out of the way up front. Alright, so overall packaging and presentation, they did a really good job, and this is the type of presentation I like to see. Very clean, very minimalistic, and very straightforward. So it just cracks open from the side. It's got a little magnetic clasp here, and you just fold it open. And then inside on the top of the box, you got a nice diagram of everything that comes included. So the charging case, the earbuds, we got our earbud wing tips and our earbud tips, so that's really nice. Let me get that so y'all can see that. Really good stuff. And then we have our charging cable, right? And then on the other side, we have our warranty card / free item card, because they do giveaways, as you can see right there. So I might get in on this and see what we can get in for the channel. Alright, and then they got their social media links, so you can follow them across social media. They do have 24/7 customer support, and they do try to respond back within 24 hours. So that's really nice. Flipping it to the other side, this is a warranty card as well. So you can see you do get 1 year free warranty on here. Really good stuff. So you scan those barcodes, you'll get to all the necessary information. Alright, putting that off to the side, we are greeted with our user manual here, which is pretty thin, not bad, pretty straightforward user manual here. We're going to walk through this last. Then we have another pamphlet here that walks us through our pairing steps for the earbuds. Alright, so really good stuff there. Let me get this nice and in the frame so y'all can pause and read up if you would like. Now we're going to go over all this stuff in the full review, but I know some of y'all like to see these manuals and things in the unboxing and first impressions. So pause and read up there. Bam, give you a couple seconds. Bam, flip it to the back. Alright, wearing tips on the back here. Again, pause and read up. And they're trying to tell you how to get the good fit and how you wear the earbuds right there. So good stuff. Not bad at all. Put this down here. Alright, boom. Then also inside the box we have an accessories box right here with what should be our charging cable, our air wing tips, and our earbud tips. So that's cool. We do have a nice little lanyard strap right here. Okay. And then we got the earbuds themselves inside of the charging case. And you can see it does have some nice little branding on it. And I gotta tell y'all, this looks super premium. I mean, my lighting today is not doing it justice. And I do believe that's everything that's included in the box. Yes, indeedy. Boom. So let's put this down. Boom. Alright, so real quickly now, I'm going to pause the video real quick. I'm going to lay everything out in a nice presentatable fashion. And we're going to come back and walk through everything that comes included in the box. So y'all give me 1 second. I'll be right back. I'll see y'all in a second. Alright y'all, and we are back in. Boy, one of these pieces rolled off the table and it took me 20 minutes to find it. But anyway, here we go. So now I've taken everything out the package and I've laid it out so y'all can see everything that comes on board with your Lanmore earbuds here, okay? So let's continue on with the video. So you can see inside the package we get our earbud tips in small, medium, and large. Then we get our ear wings in various different sizes. Now I do believe either a small or a large comes on the earbud tips in the charging case here, but we're going to verify that in a little bit. Then we have our lanyard strap, which I already showed y'all, so I could take that one out of here, because this one does have a little lanyard area where you can hook up the strap right there. I've never been good with hooking the straps up, so I never really put them on. And then we have our charging cable. So y'all can see right here, USB-A to USB Type-C. That's what I like to see right there. Really good stuff in my opinion. Alright, and this seems like a decent quality cable. I wouldn't call it the best, but it's decent. Alright, and then we have the charging case with the earbuds on the inside and the user manual. We're going to go through the user manual last, so let's take a closer look at this case. Alright, so you can see we got company branding on the front here, so it just says Lanmore. On the bottom we do have some specifications down here on the bottom, which are really hard to see. So what I'll do is I'll probably take a picture and throw it up in post for y'all, but it does tell you the battery size for the earbuds. So 55 milliamp hour batteries built into the earbuds, and it does tell you the input and output for the case and the battery size for the case, which is 350 milliamps. Okay, then we got some company branding down here, FCC information, so on and so forth. And then also down here we have our USB Type-C charging port here. If I put my fingernail in there, you can see USB Type-C charging port right down here. Really good stuff. And as I said, one of the things that I really like about these earbuds is they are super duper premium. Alright, so really good stuff. And then right here we have the charging LEDs to let you know how much charge is on the buds and the case. And then if I click here, you can see that the case is fully charged. And as I always recommend, as the manufacturer recommends, you should fully charge the case and then fully charge the earbuds. Now, a really cool thing is when you want to take the earbuds out, you see this little up arrow. You have to slide this up, okay? And you see how this opens up? And then that's how you take the earbuds out right there. Really cool stuff. And I actually did that upside down, so it looks like this. And I think that is really cool. This looks really nice. And then when you're ready, you just take the earbuds out just like this. And they do have the wings on them and the ear tips on them already. And they do look really, really premium. And you can see when I take them out of the case, they automatically flash once, and then they pair up, and now they're in pairing mode. Now, sadly, and I was very sad to see this, but I'm still going to test them nevertheless. These earbuds are set up in the master and slave Bluetooth connection setup. Alright, so what does that mean? You can only use one earbud independently from the other. You can't use both earbuds independently. Alright, so in particular, the master earbud is the right earbud and the slave earbud is the left earbud. Now, I don't like when companies do that because that creates an unnecessary power drain on the dominant earbud, and that also leaves extra power on the slave earbud. Okay, so essentially that burns out the battery faster on the slave earbud because it's constantly getting charged because there's nothing you can do with it. And it also burns out the battery faster on the master earbud because it's constantly getting an extra draw when you want to use both earbuds together. So I'm kind of not a big fan of that, and it was almost a deal breaker for me, but I still wanted to test these out and see how they perform. So that's pretty much one solid negative already before I even start using them. So I was kind of bummed out to see that. Okay, but that goes over the charging case. Let me close this back up for y'all. Close this right back up and we're ready to go. Alright, and let's take a closer look at the earbuds now. Let's go. Let me put this over here. So checking out the earbuds here, you can see this is the master bud here, and you can see we got some company branding right there. Alright, looking good. Now these do have touch controls. Let me double check. Yes, these do have touch controls, so they don't have any clicky buttons. Flipping it to the inside, you can see it is labeled very nicely right there. So this is the right earbud. You can see your charging pins and your earbud tip along with your wings there. Really, really nice. So I do believe it goes in like this. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to try it on as well. And I do believe there's a microphone right there. So that's where your microphone is, right there. Now I do apologize because black is a little hard to see. But there's your microphone, and then there's your status LED. But let me drop this in real quick and give y'all my first impressions. So dropping in the right. Oh, that's really solid. And now let's do the same thing for the left. So once again, you can see we got our company branding right there. Really good stuff. Status LED right there. Microphone right there. You can see it a little better from here. So microphone, status LED. Spinning it to the inside, we got our label right there. So you can see this is the left earbud, charging pins, wing, and earbud tip. And this looks really, really premium. Let me drop this in. Once again, you drop it in like that. So let's drop this in now. Really solid fit. Really, really solid. Good stuff. Now, let's do a quick shake test here. Moving around real good. It's not coming out, so that is really good right there. Good stuff indeed. Okay, so yeah, shaking, overall sound isolation seems really good as well. So good stuff when we talk about first impressions on the overall fit and the overall feel. Not bad at all. Alright, so let's pop these out now. Alright, and they come out pretty easily. Ooh, I do apologize. I was kind of yelling right there. Boom. And now let's real quickly go through this user manual, and then we'll wrap the video up. So really nice layout in my opinion. So once again, company branding, user manual, truly wireless earbuds, and this bad boy just opens up just like this. Okay, so let's pan through this real quickly. So here you got your volume controls. Okay, and then we have our phone call controls right there. Now, if this is unclear, I'll go ahead and throw a screenshot up in post. All right, then right here we got our status and LED indicators. Okay, commonly asked questions, customer support for the different regions, right? Common notes, and then IC statement. All right, flipping it over to this side, which is the front. My bad, y'all. I kind of did that backwards. But flipping it over to the front, so I went back to front instead of front to back. You see the cover page, everything included in the package right there, right? Nice little diagram of the headphones and the case. Okay, then we do have additional information right here. Okay, so you can indeed verify it takes 2 hours to charge the case. The earbuds give you up to 6 hours. It's IPX5 rated, so on and so forth. Okay, good stuff there. Quick little getting started tab here. Charging, pairing, we're going to go over this in the full review, but this is the Lanmore BM1. So you can see the model number right there. Okay, and then we got some pairing steps after pairing and usage, and it does tell you that only the right earbud can be used independently from the left. So the right earbud is the master and the left earbud is the slave. And then we got some additional notes right here. Okay, get my finger out of there so y'all can read that right there. Boom. And once again, if that was unclear, I'll throw screenshots up in post so y'all can see it in better detail. But that essentially goes over the user manual. And it looks like my phone is about to die, so I'm going to try and finish this up real quick. So that pretty much does it for this unboxing and first impressions of the Lanmore truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Alright, so once again, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video, this real quick video, or as quick as I can make it, and I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did enjoy this video and or you found it helpful in any shape, form, or fashion, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you guys and gals would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos, okay? That being said, if this video piqued your interest, as always, all the links to where y'all can pick this bad boy up will be available down below in the video description. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright, this whole video here today was recorded using the rear-facing 12 megapixel camera on the regular Samsung Galaxy S7 in 720p resolution at 30 frames per second. And all the audio for this video here today was recorded using the Movo MA2010 omnidirectional microphone. So as always, please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. All feedback, as always, is greatly appreciated. Alright, I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.